Welcome everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to allow Facebook to access your camera on PC with the latest update. If you've ever run into permission prompts or unsure why the camera isn't working, this quick walkthrough will make it smooth and straightforward. First, open the Facebook app on your PC. Once you're in, look toward the top of the page and find the three dots. Give those dots a click to reveal more options. It's a small menu, but it holds the key to adjusting your app permissions. From there, select App Info. This takes you to a dedicated area where you can manage settings for the Facebook experience on your device. Now, open settings within that app info section. You'll see a range of categories designed to tailor how Facebook interacts with your hardware and software. Next, head to permissions. This is where Facebook asks for access to things like your camera, microphone, and other features. Under permissions, you'll notice an option labeled More Settings Permissions. Click on that to dive deeper into the permission controls. In this deeper menu, you'll find Camera. To allow access, choose the option that appears next to Camera and switch it to Ask. By selecting Ask, you're telling Facebook to prompt you each time it needs to use the camera, giving you control over when and how it's activated. If you want Facebook to use the camera more freely in future sessions, you could consider selecting a broader setting, but sticking with Ask keeps your privacy tighter and gives you a clear moment of consent every time. It's a simple trade-off between convenience and security, and this setup lets you decide on a case-by-case basis. That's all there is to it. With these steps, you'll have Facebook ready to access your camera on PC when you need it, while maintaining the level of control that you're comfortable with. If you run into any prompts and aren't sure how to respond, remember you can always toggle the setting back to deny or switch to ask again at any time. Thanks for watching.